Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to save Snapseed photo in phone gallery. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Snapseed application. Here you will tap on it and you will select the photo from the gallery. So we will select it, and there are the tools which you want to edit the photo. Like we will simply edit a black and white picture. So you will tap on it. So the main thing of this photo, you want to save this photo in phone gallery, you will simply tap on export. So here is the save option. You will simply tap on save, create a copy of your photo. So you will tap on save and the photo will be saved in your phone gallery. So we'll go to gallery. So you will scroll down and here is the folder of Snapseed and you will tap on it, and here is that photo. So this is the simple process of saving the photo in phone gallery. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.